And what I want you to do is to take this piece of paper and this marker, and I want you to draw me a smiley face, okay? Here you go. How am I going to share what I have with you if you can't take it from me? Well, let's try this. Go get a piece of paper and something to write with. It doesn't have to be a black marker. It can be anything. A pencil, a pen, a crayon, doesn't matter to me. You got a pen? Let's do this. Draw some circles. Put little dots in the middle just like that. A nose. A little circle, a half circle there. There we go. Ooh, eyebrows. This is how we're going to learn. Me on my paper, you on yours. But in order for you to learn, in order for me to teach, you have to be able to get your own paper, your own pen. And so that's how this course is going to work. For you to have success, you need to do the things which I ask you to do. Hopefully they're not that hard. They will be a little bit time consuming, but basically you can do it if you just be proactive and go and do the things that I ask. You're going to find yourself having an amazing transformation over the next couple of weeks. I am so glad you're here with us. Join us. Let's go on this journey together. Hello mentorees, I have a question for ya. How much did you pay for the course? Ooh, you didn't pay anything? You get what you pay for? Oh no, what does that mean for us? If you didn't pay anything, I got all of 76 cents in my pocket. How much is that going to buy? Well, let me tell you something here, okay? It is going to cost you. It's going to cost you plenty. It's going to cost you time. It's going to cost you in motivation. It's going to cost you in energy. And you will get out of this course in direct proportion to what you put into it. It's like Earl Nightingale said, if you have a bad attitude, you get bad results. And if you have an awesome attitude, you get awesome results. It is a law of nature. Awesome attitude, awesome results. Pay the price, get the results. Use descriptive words to explain how you are feeling as you get started and what you hope to feel 10 weeks from now. Check out Facebook, log into Tracy's site, Tracy's Transformational Kitchen Online Mentoring. Here we'll have discussions and be able to ask questions. I'm sure other people have these questions. Let's use the Facebook site so that everybody has an opportunity to see what those questions are and to gain from those questions. There's the blog. The video that you see now will be on the blog. On Tracy's blog, you'll have the recording, and if you sign up with your email, you'll get this recording right to your inbox on your email. Number 3, your journal. Use your journal to the best of your ability. I know some people aren't journal writers. Just do your best with it. Questions in your journal will many times correspond with the video. In your journal, keep track of your starting point. This is a great idea so that you can see the progress that you have made as you've taken one step at a time from the time you began the course until the time that you finish. Also included in your journal for this week and this week only is a place for you to keep track of what you have eaten. Just do this for the 1 week. And 4th, fill out the workbook, which goes with Tracy's Transformational Health Principles. In the email, you'll notice the study guide. This is the workbook. Download it. You can save it or open it. We'll open it. here it is, the study guide. It becomes a workbook when you print it out. So you print, and because I do a lot of printing, I like to do 2 pages on a sheet to save on the printing cost. And push OK. There you have it. It's printing out, and 2 pages per sheet. This is what it will look like. At the end of each week, I will be sending out an email. Fill out the email and send that back to me. This is another way that we'll be able to hold ourselves accountable. Everyone who checks in with me weekly, showing that they are doing everything asked for each of the 10 weeks, will get a special surprise at the end of the course. The closer you follow to Tracy's book and what she's teaching, the better your results are going to be. I promise you. If you kind of fudge it, if you kind of fudge doing what she's talking about, hey, you know what, that's okay. If that's all you can do right now, if that's all the effort you can put in, better than no effort at all. But if you truly want to see magical results, follow Tracy's guidelines exactly. You have this week to read chapter 1. You will want to be finished with it by Friday. You got to get your bowels moving. I highly recommend getting Dr. Schultz's, if you can afford the 5-day bowel cleanse. 5-day bowel cleanse, get that. We'll use that later on in the program. Start taking the formula number 1 now. Follow the instructions. Just take 1 a day to start with your dinner and follow that. Just if you're not having a bowel movement once a day, get using the pills until you do.